Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a VW Beetle starter. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal first to prevent any electrical hazards. Then, ensure your vehicle is securely lifted and supported on sturdy jack stands on a flat surface. Have all your tools ready, including a new starter motor, a ratchet, and various wrenches, to make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's locate the starter motor. In most VW Beetles, you'll find it on the driver's side of the engine, often near the transmission bell housing. Once you've identified it, carefully disconnect the electrical wires. There will be a smaller wire for the solenoid and a larger main power cable. Use the appropriate wrench to loosen and remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the starter to the transmission. With the bolts removed, you can now gently pull the old starter motor out of its housing. It might be a bit snug, so a little wiggling can help. Before installing the new starter, take a moment to clean the mounting surface to ensure a good, secure fit. Then, carefully position the new starter, aligning it with the bolt holes. Insert and hand tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, then fully tighten them with your wrench. Almost done. Now, reconnect the electrical wires to the new starter motor. Ensure the main power cable and the solenoid wire are attached to their correct terminals and are snug. Finally, reattach the negative battery cable to your battery post. Double-check all connections for tightness. With everything secure, you can now lower your vehicle and attempt to start the engine to confirm your new starter is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.